Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Canvas for personalized video editing on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC and I'm going to use Canvas for this video. If we want to use Canvas, we can click on our video until our video is active like this, and you're going to go to the basic and then scroll down until you find this Canvas option. Just activate this canvas and then you are going to select the type of the canvas you want to apply to your video, and I'm going to apply for instance pattern. I'm going to apply color. Okay, and I'm just going to use this color. You can choose the color or the pattern that you like, and then I'm going to add mask to my video. I'm just going to choose this one, and then I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, and then I'm going to adjust the feather just like so. Okay, and this is the final result. Wait, I'm going to play it one more time. Okay, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Canvas for personalized video editing on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.